Welcome back to the channel, guys. P Street Garage. I just picked up this small mini, I guess you could call it, sandblaster. This is a Mastercraft brand. I got this at my local Canadian Tire store, and this is normally, it was only like $25 or $30, and it was on sale for like almost 50% off. So I literally paid, I can't exactly remember exactly, but I'm in the neighborhood of the low 20s, so a tad over $20. And it comes with 2 bottles of grit. So I'm not expecting much out of this thing. Obviously I'm not going to sandblast an entire car with it, but I thought it would be good to go over some weld seams. So I'm just getting ready to do the body work on my bus. I got most of the metal in place, and I'm just getting ready to apply some fiberglass. And I thought I could go with this fine sandblaster and target those weld seams where there could be inclusions and junk trapped in there. I thought this might be a good way to prep the surface before I apply my mud. So let's give it a try right here. I got an old piece of rusty plate. Again, I'm not expecting a whole lot, but let's give it a try. Okay. Well, I've never used this before, so that's the medium that it came with it. I got some in the hopper. Let's give it a try on this plate. See if it makes any difference at all. All right, I'm all ready to go. Got my air charged up here. We'll move this to the unlock position so we're not just squirting air. And let's give this a try. Okay, I'm impressed. I think this is going to work very nice. I can't wait to try this on the bus. So again, Mastercraft mini sandblaster, literally $20. I'm obviously going to have to go out and get some more product, media, and I can see that it's quite messy, but I think it's going to be very effective on my welds. That's all for now, guys. Just a quick video, and we will catch you in the next one.